Well, thanks for tuning back in, but this week I'm not going to be showing you a project that I'm working on. I've been very inundated by work having to do with recovery of Hurricane Helene, helping people as well as fixing my river property. And if you want to see that process, I have posted a few videos on this channel, but my main channel, which shows you before videos of the property, you can go to the other channel that I make called Two Women and Tools and Friends. And if you go there, then you will see all the process and projects that I did up until the hurricane. Right now, it's just recovery, and honestly, it's pretty stressful. We had 5 different groups of people, but yesterday by far the most effective was Samaritan's Purse, and they came with, I'd say, close to 50 people, and they moved rocks for us. I'm going to do a video on that, or maybe I haven't. I've already posted it. I don't know yet, but they moved rocks, they moved twigs, they tried to help us get debris off of the bridge area, and it was a bit hairy, so I'm glad they sort of stopped that process and moved into doing other things. But just an amazing group of people. They were grateful to help, for me, allowing them to help me. I was deeply touched by God's love that I saw through them, and not just because they were generous and they were helping me, but because I really sensed the love of the Lord in them, and that was huge for me. In any event, I've got several projects in the works, but just can't get to them. Can't get my head around it even. It's stressful for me right now, and I know that God's grace is capable of overcoming anything and everything. So I'm just patiently waiting for that to happen. I know that everything will recover in this area, and that's why I decided to show you photographs and videos of this area when it was absolutely beautiful and pristine. And it is a gorgeous area. That's why I chose to live here. But I hope you can come back next week, and hopefully I'll have another project going, and I look forward to producing that, filming, producing, and seeing you then. Until then, have a great day.